Welcome back to DayZ. This run I'm recording on the Origin server. Now I chose this run, or I chose this server, because they have helis that spawn up north. And you don't see too many servers that have spawning helis, so the goal of this run is I'm going to try to make it up there and see if I can snag myself one. Okay, looks like we are... Oh, we're in the outskirts of Cherno. There's the train. So probably better get some... head over there, see if we can't get a jacket or something. Yeah, so temperature is definitely going to be a factor here on this run, as I can see already here down to my little thermometer in the bottom right. So, yeah, let's see if we can get ourselves some warm gear. And then make our way, there's further on the coast, there is a car trader. So we'll see if we can't get a little geared up and head over there and find ourselves a whip. Still don't have a weapon, or oh, that'll do. There's a knife, perfect. Take that. I need to head over here to that fountain as well, so just see what... Oh, let's take that vest. Sweet. Yeah, so get over here and get this... get our fill of water, and then hopefully maybe one of these houses has a shotgun or something. Well, it ain't much, but I'll take that. Slowly working our way up here for more more storage space and warmer clothes, so bit of a positive. So I think what I'll do here is I'll move from, get filled up with water here, a little military place here in town, and then we'll slowly kind of make our way northeast, I think, to get, maybe stop at some other military sites to where we get some gear and then head toward that car trader. The ultimate goal, of course, is to get further up north and try to find the elusive heli spawn. If you're enjoying the content, maybe picking up a thing or two, or just laughing at my mistakes, why not hit the subscribe button? It helps grow the channel and lets me know you're enjoying what I'm putting out there. Subscribing is free, takes just a second, and it's the best way to make sure you don't miss out on any new content. And hey, if you got ideas or questions, drop them in the comments. I love hearing from you. And with that, let's get back to our adventure. I always try to sneak up on these holy crap. Do I not do it well? They always end up turning around getting after us. Take that, Grandma. Oh, I'll take that. Thank you. A lot of people try to move off the coast too quickly. These industrial sections are huge to pick up basic needs. Not usually for big weapons, but at least, you know, like say, what you see here, vitamins, etc. Now this is a modded server, so of course what we pick up here is A little more than you would normally find on a vanilla server for sure. JPC plate carrier, perfect. I love the addition of boats into the regular spawning on DayZ, but as you can see here, this one is bugged and I cannot get it going. I have a spark plug and everything, but it just would not let me access it, so fairly disappointing on this one, but I have to give it up and keep on going here. Just loot a little bit more here, and then we'll get out of the industrial section. Oh, there's some C4. I doubt very much I'm going to be raiding on this server, but I'll take it for now. So this radiator that you see me just pass by is going to become an important piece of the puzzle here later on. So you'll see that I decide not to pick it up, and yeah, a bit of foreshadowing, but maybe I should have. Oh, box of nails. Good gravy, do I suck at this. Come on. Die. Good lord. Okay, now we make it up here to this little military base. And, yeah, find myself a weapon. And then we'll head out. Oh, there we go. We'll start with that. Absolutely good thing I picked up those shotgun shells earlier. What else we got kicking around here? Oh, NVGs, we'll take those. Again, you can tell this is a modded server here. Oh, that's a Beowulf. I know what that is. Look at that. There's my helmet. Throw them MVGs on there. Yeah, Beowulf 50 cal. Lovely, lovely. Change my jacket up here. Oh yeah, a little more space and a little more on the military side of things, which is the vibe I always go for. I think we're pretty much ready here to start. Well, we'll continue. We'll get off the coast, but we'll continue east. Next, we'll head to probably Topoka Dam, that little military intersection. See what we can't find there, and then maybe up to Stroy before we head to the car trader. Might as well loot Pusta on the way through, and oh, look at that, my Christmas gift. Here we go, what I get. I always enjoyed my Christmas stocking. Open her up there, young fella. Oh, some food, thank you. And so I make it to the dam here. And let's see what we can find here. Just down to the right is the military intersection. Now, I tend to go noisy. I'm not really big on sneaking around too much here. Oh yeah, that's loud. They know I'm here. Oh, sugar. Wow, what a sound. I love the sound of the Beowulf here in the server. Might as well do a quick run through these tents here, see what I can come up with. I'm looking for a backpack, but you know, a guitar. 338. Nice, nice. That'll come in handy. On this server, you can craft yourself your own poncho. So I make myself a white winter camo poncho here, and let's roll with that. I'm well kitted up now, so let's head northeast to destroy military. See what we can't find there. I like the customization that this server has for their military areas. A lot of extra work went into it, really nice. Ooh, the higher tier NVGs. Yeah, I'll swap them out. Absolutely. Really? Time to move on. Head further east. Let's go get ourselves a car. Okay, I couldn't resist doing that. The vanilla car trader on this server is just at the gas station just north of Solonichi. So I'll make my way over there. Let's see what I can afford. Of course, you have some starting cash when you first log in. So let's see what I can do here. 90 grand for an Ada. That'll do. Let's go with green, the color of money. Just assign the key here so I don't lose everything that I've stored. So my car doesn't get jacked, hopefully. My plan here is to go north along the coast up to Krasno, and then I'll casually kind of head west from there until I can get further up. Near Starry Yar is my ultimate destination. But yeah, so let's go for a cruise north and see what we can't come across on the way. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I just spent 90K on a vehicle and there's one sitting right here. Really? It figures. another spawned car. No, okay. Whew. I was gonna rage quit there for a second. Heading into Krasno, and wouldn't you know it, this will be the place that I get DayZ'd. Yep, that's right. Right into the lamppost, and there's my temperature gauge, so I just wrecked my radiator. Remember in the beginning I said that would be important. There it is. I don't think I'm going to make it too far. At least not with the whip. In true DayZ fashion, not only is the car now sick, so am I. That is awesome. Well, I called it a day and pulled over just up here in Obi-Lug Military. I thought that was the perfect spot to stop for the evening. And, well, my DayZ experience definitely continued, because you can imagine what happened next when I logged in. Yep. My Ada's gone. So, I guess we're footing it up north. This isn't a really high pop server, so I'm not too concerned about shooting without a suppressor. And besides, I think I've got enough gear on here to keep me fairly safe. I've only come across one other player here so far on this run, so fairly comfortable here, but I better check just to make sure no one's watching. Alright, time to head north here. Let's go to a hunting trader in Skulka at the tavern, and then we'll carry on to Starryar and find that helicopter. I find when I have a few days to plan an event, I just, when I play DayZ, I don't necessarily always get on for PvP. As you've seen some of my videos, I'm not great at it. What I'd like to do is I'll find a server and just come up with an idea and say, okay, I'm going to try this, for 1 day or 2 days, or I'll just, go until I get my goal, right? So, I'm having a lot of fun here on this server. Let's clear the room here first, make sure there's nobody here. I'm having a lot of fun on this server playing, and it's, like I say, it's low pop, so not too much worry about PvP action. But it's also good to have that goal too, right? Like I say, I want to try to find one of these spawning helis. And so far, I'm really enjoying this run. Like I say, maybe it's not as action-packed, but it certainly is a lot of fun here right now. Oh, and I'm sick again. And nice. Well, the weather on this server certainly took a turn for the worse. But at least I can sell that fox pelt. Nope, $2 grand. That'll do. Nice. Alright, time to move now. Let's go to Starryar and this. Need to get through the rocks here. Oh, there we go. Okay, we're up near Starry here now. There's a field up here where it's at least supposed to spawn. Come on, where are you? Oh, I don't see anything here. Come on. Uh-oh. Okay. Let's keep going up and see if we can't maybe it's up further. Oh, what's that? Is that it? Oh, I think I see it. There it is. A little blue Robson. Lovely. Let's make sure there's no one else around here, though. Oh, this is great. You are mine now. Better check. I'm pretty sure it comes complete. Come on, start. Oh. So I've reached my goal, or I've achieved my goal, but I'm not quite done yet. I want to stop off at Safe Zone Trader and then make my way back to the coast. Safe Zone on this server is another custom area. It's kind of a combination of military and old castles set up. Really well done. There's a lot of thought went into the aesthetics and the layout. Really cool setup he's got here. Do a quick run through here. I'm going to sell a few items, but just to give you a visual as to what this safe zone's like. There's some of the vending machines are kind of hidden away. You got to find them, but really impressive. A lot of work here. Just gonna go up here and get some medical supplies here to try to get rid of this sickness. There's a little shot there. So the building supplies and the medical is up here. Gonna go through the tent. Like I say, it's kind of hidden away. You got to look for it, or you'd never come across it. Hopefully this helps. I think it's time I get back to the helicopter and head back down to the coast to finish this adventure off in style. There's another custom area on this map, or on this server, right across the street from the Loda airstrip. There's a submarine docking station. There you have it. Come full circle and return to the coast, near where we started. I'm going to leave my gear as well as the heli right here for the next survivor to come along and pick it up and carry on their own adventure. I really hope you enjoyed following along. And I hope you got as much out of it as I did. It wasn't a terribly long run, but it was a lot of fun. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.